Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us.
Test your skills in designing secure, resilient, high-performing, and cost-optimized AWS architectures with these Solutions Architect Associate questions. Question 1. A company wants to enforce encryption for all new Amazon S3 objects uploaded to a bucket. Which is the most operationally efficient way to achieve this? The correct answer is enable S3 bucket default encryption. Enabling bucket default encryption ensures all new objects are encrypted automatically without requiring additional IAM or application changes. Question 2. A healthcare company must store sensitive patient data in Amazon S3 and restrict access to specific VPCs. Which solution meets the requirement? The correct answer is use VPC endpoints with an S3 bucket policy. VPC endpoints with bucket policies ensure access is restricted to defined VPCs while keeping traffic within AWS. Question 3. Your company is concerned about accidental deletion of critical IAM roles. What AWS feature best protects against this? The correct answer is use AWS organizations with SCPs denying IAM delete role. Service control policies in AWS organizations can explicitly deny deletion of IAM roles across all accounts. Question 4. A company requires that all EC2 volumes must be encrypted at rest. What's the most efficient way to enforce this? The correct answer is enable EBS encryption by default at the account level. Enabling default EBS encryption at the account level ensures all new volumes are automatically encrypted. Question 1. A global application must provide high availability across multiple AWS regions. Which service setup is most resilient? The correct answer is use Route 53 latency-based routing with health checks across regions. Route 53 latency-based routing with health checks directs users to healthy endpoints across regions, ensuring global resilience. Question 2. A company is running a critical workload on EC2 that must survive the loss of an entire availability zone. What is the best solution? The correct answer is deploy EC2 instances across 2 or more AZs behind an ELB. Deploying instances across multiple AZs with a load balancer ensures availability even if one AZ fails. Question 3. Your company wants disaster recovery with a 15-minute RPO and 1-hour RTO. Which approach is most cost-effective? The correct answer is warm standby in another region. A warm standby balances cost with fast recovery to achieve the required RPO and RTO. Question 4. Which AWS service provides automatic failover between AWS regions for relational databases? The correct answer is Amazon Aurora Global Database. Amazon Aurora Global Database provides low-latency replication with cross-region automatic failover for relational databases. Question 1. A company needs to run machine learning inference on large datasets with low latency. Which AWS service is most suitable? The correct answer is Amazon SageMaker endpoints. Amazon SageMaker endpoints provide real-time, low-latency inference at scale. Question 2. A company is running a write-heavy application using DynamoDB and is hitting throughput limits. Which strategy is most effective? The correct answer is enable DynamoDB on-demand mode. DynamoDB on-demand mode automatically adjusts capacity to handle unpredictable write workloads. Question 3. A company wants a data warehouse that can scale compute and storage independently. Which AWS service is most suitable? The correct answer is Amazon Redshift RA3 nodes. Amazon Redshift RA3 nodes allow independent scaling of compute and storage resources. Question 4. An e-commerce company experiences unpredictable traffic spikes during flash sales. Which solution ensures high performance and scalability? The correct answer is use auto-scaling with a mix of on-demand and spot instances. A mixed auto-scaling group with on-demand and spot instances balances cost efficiency with availability during spikes. Question 1. A startup runs a steady workload on EC2 and wants to reduce costs without changing the architecture. What is the best option? The correct answer is switch to EC2 reserved instances. Reserved instances provide predictable cost savings for steady workloads without requiring application changes. Question 2. Which storage class is most cost-effective for backup data that must be retained for 7 years and accessed once a year? The correct answer is S3 Glacier Deep Archive. S3 Glacier Deep Archive is the lowest cost storage option for long-term, rarely accessed data. Question 3. A company runs development workloads on EC2 during weekdays only. Which solution is most cost-optimized? The correct answer is use on-demand EC2 with scheduled scaling. Scheduled scaling with on-demand EC2 ensures resources run only during required business hours, reducing cost. Like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with test prep training.